Good afternoon. I have a statement. I share the frustration of students and school districts statewide affected by this morning's disruption in online testing. Around 8:30 this morning, the testing vendor, McGraw-Hill, reported scattered disruptions for assessments in grades 6 through 8, as well as the end-of-instruction examinations for our high school students. In all, about 8,100 students experienced test disruptions. About 11,000 were able to complete their tests. As a result, I directed CTB this morning to suspend online testing for the remainder of the day. It is an understatement to say that I am frustrated with McGraw-Hill. It is an understatement to say actually that I am outraged. CTB technicians are on site and are working to determine the exact nature of the problem. But that does not excuse the fact that the disruption did happen and place an unacceptable burden on test takers, on teachers, and on school districts. This state was ready. Districts did every single thing that we asked them to do. We had quadruple training. We had conducted stress tests, and we addressed a litany of issues in assuring and in safeguarding against any deficiencies, any system-wide problems this year. But we cannot guard against everything, and this appears to be 100% a failing of CTB, and they have admitted that. We are working to find a permanent solution for those students who were disrupted. The system is designed to keep the response of a test taker before the disruption, so that a student would be able to pick up where he or she left off. Nevertheless, these problems are absolutely unacceptable. That is why we are exploring any and all options on where we go from here, including the possibility of switching to pencil and paper assessments for the remainder of the testing window. The next step, and the most important one, is to determine how students affected today can complete their assessments and what the process will be for students who have not yet tested. In addition, CTB needs to explain what happened and how it will address the situation. CTB has some explaining to do. I was given explicit assurance from CTB President Ellen Haley regarding this year's assessments process, and that did not happen. I have currently asked and have received confirmation that Ellen Haley will be in the state this week.